Nice one. Are you a sheep or what?
Almost done. Go. Ah.
Oh, you're a ram.
Almost done. The ram house.
Oh, the storm almost came to the lamb's house?
No.
One more time. Try it again.
Almost done. Almost done. The
What?
ram.
Really?
Ram house.
What's in the box?
Look.
What is that?
Mouse. What's mouse?
You use that in the mouth?
Yeah.
Is that what the dentist used?
Yeah.
What did they do with it? They brushed your teeth? Oh, where's Gwen? Peekaboo! Hey.
This.
That's a doctor?
Yeah.
What do you want to be when you grow up? You want to be a doctor?
No.
You want to be a farmer?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Then you can play outside with the chickens and the cows
Yeah. And piggies.
and piggies.